Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic morning. In today's video, I am going to give you a stock that has a high short percentage and also insider activity that is extremely significant. So please stay till the end of the video. You will want to check and see the different support and resistance levels of this stock. Looking forward to breaking it down with you. Year to date, personally, I am down 3.64%. So far, the market has not been going along with my plans that I have for 200% gains for this year. So it's been a little bit tough. It's definitely been choppy waters, a lot of fear out there in the market, but I know my strategies work and I've had a lot of success in the past. So why wouldn't I have success in the future? But doing my own due diligence and working very hard on each and every stock. And you must have a strategy behind every stock that you're in if you want to be very successful. Now, I am not a financial advisor. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence, but before we get going in this video, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a Patreon group if you are interested in my buy and sell alerts of all the different stocks that I have. There are lots of different levels in there. You will easily make it up with one great trade, and there are lots of levels that are there available for you. I had 3 sales on Monday's trading day, and all of them were sold for a gain. I will have those listed in the description down below. So if you want to check that out, that is the place to see that. But let's get into it. Let's start talking about this stock and let's take a look. This is Petco, ticker symbol WOOF. This is an insider swing play. And my average in it is $18.04. Now, this is very, very fresh insider activity. So if you are watching this on Tuesday morning, the insider activities was reported right before market close. And so a very good transaction. And the CEO and chairman loaded at $17.21 on Monday. So that was very significant. The Form 4 was reported right before market close, as I said before. And this stock has a high short float. And so this is all time. We haven't seen lows like this in this stock for a very long time. And so the insider bought at $17.21. Very, very good purchase on this breakdown here. But I am expecting this to break through this first level, come back, touch it, reclaim it as support, and move on to the next level. Now, it's going to depend a lot about how the market is tomorrow morning, but if you are looking at this and you can get it for if you can get this for a good deal, you might consider loading this up because the insider activity should push out some of those short sellers. It should be a good mover, but our very first target here is $18.50. Next target is $19.25, and then way up here at $23.08. At $23 way up here. Now, this is the beginning of where that gap close is and where it broke down from that before. So we could see it get as high. Another resistance level is $24 and then up for the gap close at $25. So it will be interesting to see how this reacts tomorrow morning. Please reach out to me in the comment section down below, and Raythoven out.